Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's getting a little late in the year, but I wanted to share with you guys a video you've been asking about for how to winterize your Intex Bestway pool, the above ground flavor like this one. You guys will see that basically what we do, what my dad does, is we take the stairs out, set them up there out of the way. Usually they sit in this corner just to keep them out of the freeze and thaw. Go ahead and you can't, it looks a little bad, right? But this is the normal expectation for these walls to bow in. That's standard for your installation. You're going to see that when you're putting this up as well. But basically, we just pull the old hose off and let the water drain down below the ports on that side. Take the pump inside where it will stay warm and won't freeze, because you don't want the pump to freeze. It'll destroy things, and that's not good. You don't want that. Again, we took the stairs out here, set up here on the deck to dry, and so they won't freeze and break, or the ice break them for that matter. Now, as far as the water is concerned, they don't do anything to it. No shock, nothing. We just let all the leaves from the 5 counties collect in here. In the spring, they'll drain it down and scoop out the crap and scrub it down and refill it and get the chemicals going. That's just kind of the tried and true method they've used. In the past, they have left some water in it, like here, and then they'll add shock in the spring, fill it up enough to where the filters will work, and then kind of let it do its thing. But the unfortunate part about that is, well, sometimes the water can be cloudy for a while, and you end up spending a little bit of money in chemicals. So for here, it's just cheaper to start it with the water and start fresh. And keep in mind, doing it this way, so you're at your own risk. We've done this for 7 years with no issues, no ice breaking the liner. But Intex and Bestway both recommend that you drain the pool down completely, take it down altogether, and store it someplace warm and cozy. This is a lot easier. Obviously, you don't have a whole lot of extra work to do. Springtime, it's easier to set up. But again, the manufacturer's recommendation is normally just to take it down. But again, this is year 7 that we've done it this way. The second year on this liner. The first liner we got used from somebody else. We had that liner 5 years and no issues with it. The big thing was a saltwater pool, and that saltwater destroyed the tubes, so we had to do something different, and they said let's just buy a whole new unit. So again, just one more look here. Really simple. Drain it down, watch it fill up with leaves, and then in the spring, take care of it, pump it down. This is what we do here in Iowa, where we get really cold temperatures. Negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit isn't uncommon. Really cold winter. Yeah, maybe a little behind schedule this year. We took the pumps off before we started getting freezing temps. But this is what we do to winterize the pool in the Midwest for the above ground, frame like this. Yeah, that's what we do. This type of style of pool. Hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. And if you have any questions, pop them down there below. I will answer them as I can. And if not, well, I'll try to give you something as an answer. Thanks for stopping into K6 Outdoors. My name is Kyle. If you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already part of the YouTube family. And hit that bell next to it to get notifications when I post more videos like this. Thanks again for stopping in. Get you guys' pool winterized. Catch you in the next one. We'll see ya.